Oh my god, my hair is crazy. Okay, hopefully that's better. Not really. Hi guys, my name is Sammy, and if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Samery Moras, and I do Taekwondo. So the reason that I'm doing this video to try and kind of help you guys see what I do to achieve my goals is honestly because last week I just started my first week of college, my last semester before I graduate, and you guys all know that I'm going back to my first competition since my ankle surgery last year, and it's gonna be here in just like 2.5 weeks. And besides that, we just opened up a brand new martial arts studio, and it's in a huge new location, so we've had to move, start classes there. So basically my whole last week was absolutely insane. It's been crazy. So I wanted to show you guys a couple things that I do to kind of juggle and manage everything, all the crazy goals that I have in my life. So hopefully this video helps you guys, and if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I absolutely love to read your comments. So my goal for this month is to prepare myself to compete at the US Open, and training's been great. And tiring and sweaty, but it's something that I really have to keep up with to really prepare myself for the US Open. So besides that, I told you guys that I've been having to juggle with school, and this past week we've already had several assignments. I'm taking 4 different classes and I missed some assignments. Oops. So what I did today is I went to the store and I bought a brand new planner so I could keep track of all my assignments and my training and just my schedule, because I really struggle with remembering when things are due and deadlines. And I know a lot of people just like grab their phones and just type them in their little phones, but that's not me. So the first thing that I did is I went to the store and I bought a planner. Here's my planner. I know it's old school, but what I liked about this planner, for example, it has all of the days of the week right here, and then on the side it has notes, to-dos, reminders, goal of the week, and then a little calendar outline right here. This is honestly like, I'm so excited that I found this planner. It's a little bigger than I planned on. It's not the cutest design, but I really like it because of how it's set up inside. And right after I'm done with this video, I'm gonna go and write out all the assignments that I have due so that I can start keeping track of that and keeping track of training and work and everything else. The second thing that's helped me kind of keep track of my goals is have this sheet over here. So I just grabbed a poster board, I wrote the name of the month up here on top. Here on the sides, I wrote out all of my goals. So for example, one of the things that I've been wanting to get better at is reading books, stretching every day. I know you guys think I stretch every day already, but I really don't, and I do want to get more flexible. So at the end of the day, I'll come over and I'll fill in which of the goals I actually did for that day. And I really like how visual it is, so you can see like, oh crap, I haven't done any writing at all this month. Oops. But then for example, next month I'll take a look and I'll see, you know, like, oh, I've done really well at stretching. Maybe I don't need to track it as much. And so I'll take that goal off and I'll replace it with something else. And then the last tip that I have for you guys of how to keep up with your goals is take some time to balance out your life. Like, I always do all these videos of just like work, training, work, training, work, training, but I do like to have fun as well. So this past weekend, after being stressed the whole week, I just decided to take a day off and just chill. So I got some of my friends together and we went bowling and we played in the arcade like little kids, and it was just so relaxing to have a day off where I didn't have to think about what I needed to do right then to get towards my goals, but just to kind of balance everything out and give myself a little breather. And that's so important. You have to balance out your life if you really want to get your goals, because if you're working the whole entire time, you're just gonna get added stress that doesn't get let out, and then you don't really get closer to your goals. You just end up stressed and not moving anywhere at all. So I really hope that this video was helpful to you guys, and I think tomorrow what I'm gonna do is I have to start weight cutting now. Like I said, I'm about 2.5 weeks from the US Open. So tomorrow I'm gonna kind of do a what I eat in a day video. I see a lot of people weight cutting, especially in Taekwondo, and a lot of people ask me kind of like for dieting tips, but I see a lot of it being done really wrong. And weight cutting's honestly not that bad if you do it the right way. So I think tomorrow I'm just going to do a whole video of what I eat in a day to help me lose weight to prepare for a competition. Thanks so much for getting to the end of my video. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram and leave me a comment. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye guys!